students. How are you? Hope you are all doing good. I have a doubt whether you are all watching video lessons and doing the given homeworks or not. I request all the parents of 10th class students to make your child to watch the video lessons and complete the given homeworks. Today, I would like to start the last unit of English Reader, Nation and Diversity. What is meant by nation and diversity? It means understanding that each individual is special and recognizing our individual differences. These can be along the features of race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, socio-economic status, age, physical abilities, religious beliefs, political beliefs, or other ideologies. What do you see in this picture? Yes, a different two religious persons are playing cricket together. It may be the one of the examples to say there is a unity in diversity in India. Let us turn to reading a lesson of this unit, My Childhood. It is an extract from the book Wings of Fire, where the former President of India speaks of his childhood. All of you open your textbooks and look at the lesson My Childhood. My Childhood. First para. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameswaram in the erstwhile Madras state. My father, Jainul Abdin, had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother, Ashiyamma. I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day, but I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. Dr. Abdul Kalam was born in a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameswaram in the old Madras state. His father, Jainul Abdin, was not educated and not a rich man, but by birth he got wisdom and true kindness. His mother Ashiyamma also very kind and supported her husband Jainul Abdin. Kalam cannot remember the number of people his mother cooked and served food every day. More outsiders ate food than all the members of his own family together. Next para. I was one of the children, a short boy with rather undistinguished looks, born to tall and handsome parents. We lived in our ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. It was a fairly large Pakka house made of limestone and brick on the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. My austere father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. However, all necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicine, or clothes. In fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. Kalam was one of the children of his tall and beautiful parents, but Kalam was not that much attractive. They lived in their grandparents' house, built in the middle of the 19th century. That house was very big, made of limestone and bricks in the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. Kalam's father, Jainul Abdin, was a simple and did not like unimportant comforts and luxuries. But all the important things like food, medicine, and clothes he provided to his family. In his childhood, everything Kalam got from his parents, both materially and emotionally. Next para. The Second World War broke out in 1939 when I was 8 years old. For reasons I have never been able to understand, a sudden demand for tamarind seeds erupted in the market. I used to collect the seeds and sell them to a provision shop on Mosque Street. A day's collection would fetch me the princely sum of 1 anna. When Kalam was 8 years old, the Second World War started in the year 1939. He did not understand why there was a sudden demand for the tamarind seeds in the market. Kalam also collected tamarind seeds and sold them to a kirana shop on Mosque Street. By selling tamarind seed per day, he got 1 anna, means 6.25 paise. Next para. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me stories about the war, which I would later attempt to trace in the headlines in Denamani. Our area, being isolated, was completely unaffected by the war. But soon India was forced to join the Allied forces, and something like a state of emergency was declared. The first casualty came in the form of the suspension of the train halt at Rameswaram station. His brother-in-law Jalaluddin told stories about the World War, and he found the main headings of the war in Denamani newspaper. Kalam's area was not affected by the war as it was a far away place. But our country was forced by the friendly nations to join in the war. So, Emergency was announced in the state. The first problem they faced was the government cancelled the train halt at Rameswaram station. Dear students, turn your textbooks to page number 84, Roman number 2. Look at the word dilly dally from the text. This is a reduplicative word. The words super duper and bye bye are also reduplicative words, but they belong to different categories shown below. To find out different types of reduplicative words, explanations are given here for duplicative type, alliterative type, and rhyming type. So, all of you read all the three explanations and learn them.